watch this video and we're going to draw this. Doesn't that look fun? Later in the show, we're going to sing a song together. Are you excited? It's Artie's show!
Come on kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie!
Oh, hello, little artists. Welcome to Artie's show. I'm Artie. Well, actually, I am quite arty, but my name's Artie too. This is the show where I do a drawing and you can watch me do it. It's awesome!
Wow, Betty, look at all the little artists that are here today.
Welcome to the show, everyone.
Well, little artists, are you excited to begin? I'm really excited. My favorite time is just when there's a blank piece of paper and my imagination, and I'm about to begin. So, let's do it. Come on.
Hi, Artie. Whoa, that's cool. You're a cool cat. Cool cat, cool cat. Once there was a cool cat.
I love drawing so much. Coming up, we're going to have a little break and sing a song. It's going to be so much fun. Okay, it's time for a song. Here we go.
Artie rolled out with sleepy eyes wide. The sun is shining, but he's ready to hide. Mom's calling out, but he's shaking his head. He says, Mom, I don't want to make my bed. No, 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 it's such a chore. Can't I just close my door? Pillows happy where he lays. I'll do it on another day. He stuffs his blanket under the chair. He says, look, Mom, it's like it's not even there. We'll try it your fun way. Yes, 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 we'll play pretend. Let's make the bed and not ascend. Turn it into adventure play. Hey, this might be my favorite day.
That was the best song ever! But it's time to carry on with the drawing. Come along. La, 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 la. Here we go. Have a kiss, rock that one. Have a do, 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 do. La, la, yeah, but here we go. Oh, Painty! No! Oh,
Wow!
oh, Painty, you made such a mess. Now I'm going to have to clean all that up. Oh, what a splodgy, painty mess. I hope you're drawing along at home. Wow, this one came out really good. I'm so pleased with it. Okay, there's only one thing to do now. It's time to color it in.
Some color would make this even better.
You're not wrong about that, Betty.
So much today, didn't we? We drew, we sang, and then we colored in. Hey!
Tomorrow you're gonna need a marker. But until then,
Have an Artie day!
Well, that's the end of the show. I hope you enjoyed it. Wasn't it fun? I loved it. Hope you enjoyed the drawing and the song. And we'll see you again soon on Artie's show. Bye-bye for now.